All right. Now we're set. Here we go. So, 6 questions. Okay.
Oh man.
So create the file scheme to flip using Emacs. Inside the file, create print greeting method. No parameters. That will display all members of your team on separate lines. To complete the process, have main call print greeting function. Indent your code. Treat the open brackets as curly braces. Once complete, go to scheme interpreter to run your file you just created. Okay. Sounds pretty good. Okay. Okay. Let me look at this. So I should be, that's not the right screen. So let me just change the window. There we go. You guys can see the question, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, there's literally an example of this. Go to slide 7, and it's literally exactly what we're looking for. What does he want us to call it? Create a print greeting method. All right. Print greeting.
Wait, do you think you can share the screen for your code so that we can
Yeah, so let me just do you guys have the question like screenshot or something?
Mhm.
Alright, then I will do this. And let me there we go. Okay, so here's what I got so far. And then it should be
do we I don't think we need a main, do we?
I think he said, or what did he say? So it says
have a main to call the print. To complete the process, have a main.
yep, have a
I
main
see.
to call
My
print
bad.
greeting function. Yeah. I think this example of the simple function calling, or the example in the slide of the lecture notes for the scheme functions is literally like what we're supposed to do for question one.
That's good.
Printf. So we just do Brandon Price, new line.
New line, yeah.
Do we all put it all in one line?
No, maybe different line. Just let me check.
No. Like, what's it called? All on one line like this, or do we want to?
On separate line, yeah, we need.
Okay, so like this. Okay, and then main, bang, scheme flipped, one, bang, but there is a space, so,
Oh, this is a T.
okay, so let's just go here. It just looks kind of smushed, the code. I don't know how to put it on different. Well, I mean, I guess we can just experiment. So,
Is this for tab? Something like tab?
would this work?
Maybe.
I'm
I don't
literally
know.
just doing an experiment here. It just prints out all of the spaces. Okay, that's
kind of cool though.
so. Well, it's kind of like in Oh, maybe we do it like this, right? So we put quotes and then plus, like this.
It would probably be a plus at the start, right?
No, then we're gonna add those together.
Oh, I'm just doing an experiment. I don't know if it works like this. It doesn't. Yeah. Okay. You're right.
What if
Plus
you
at the
just put one
start.
plus?
Yeah, plus at the start, right? But
Yeah,
it can only add two things. It can't add multiple things.
I think you might
No.
be able to do just one, and it will add
Oh
multiple.
no! But all I want is to just wait. So we do it like this then. Plus.
Or make up parentheses too, maybe at this
Yes.
before the plus.
For each one, parentheses for each person, maybe.
Or like before the plus, you can put the parentheses. So then it's like, or I don't know.
Wait, I think we can do it something like this. So we first add up the ones at the end, right? And then we add up. Well, I mean, I'm just doing a quick little experiment. So this one, this Brandon Price is adding to this combination here, and this is just adding this. So in theory, it should work. Or let me leave.
Oh, yeah,
Nope.
I don't think. Never mind.
Theory does not work. Well, all right. So we just do it.
Can I ask you a silly question?
Yeah.
What exactly you want to do?
I just don't. I just don't want this thing to all be on one line. I want to just have it like split up, but without writing like printf every single line.
You mean something like tab? For example, for first line we have Brandon. For second line we have a tab, then Victor. Something like this.
No. I just don't want it to be something very long, like how the original one was like. So I want to change this to have it be on separate lines. So I just don't want this to be here. Like I just don't want this to all be like very long. I just wanted it to be. But if you do the next line, it takes in the spaces and it just makes it very. I think we have the example here. Yeah, it just does this. So if you just do if you just move it to the next line like you would in C++, this is what would happen. But I think we should be okay now. Yeah, I mean, it just works, whatever. Let's just submit it. We got 6 questions, so let's just do that, I guess. Okay, I'm going to merge the file to my computer and then upload it. We are in 331. So CMSC 331. And then in here we have scheme flipped. Bang. Great, we have the file. Now all we need to do, let me just go back to the other page. I think I will just share my screen so that it's easy to see what's going on. Browse files, download, or not download. Here, scheme flipped. What does this show? What code does this show? Okay. Yeah, okay, so it works. Do we have to do anything else? Once complete, go to the scheme interpreter, run the file. All right, we need to create the screenshot. And so we clear this, do bracket, screenshot, it's saved, lovely, attach file, video, pictures, yeah. Let's see. Here we go. Captures, search for, this should be do not know what that screen capture saved. Date. Here we go. Oh, it overrid it. That's no good. Indent your code, treat this, go to scheme. To complete the process, call the function, indent your code. Wait, so let's just take this and the other one, right? Wait, we want 2 files, not 1. Or am I confused?
You need to run one of them.
Wait, guys, which one do we want to send? Do we want to send the code or the what it looks like at the end?
It said just run the file. I think we should attach the screenshot maybe.
But I can't because it overwrites. It can only take 1 file. This was not completely thought through. Okay, I'll just take the screenshots and I'll just bundle the screenshots and send them an email saying there was a issue with sending 2 files. So here's the screenshots. Hey, it's fine. Well, I'll just hold on to the screenshots. I would just do it like that. A bit ghetto, but it's just how it is. Okay, on to the next one. It's because we're just running out of time here. Create a file, scheme flipped. Inside that file, create simple parameter. Method will display value you passed in. Oh, okay. We want 2 examples, 2 different data types. Okay, so we go here. Okay.
Can you go back to your code?
Yep. Oh, I'm not coding anything, but
Oh.
Emacs. Or did you have something?
I was just gonna
Scheme
say
flipped.
like how I would do it.
Oh, okay. Uh, yep. Okay, so this is just define whatever, right? Yeah, define
Yeah,
main,
just define.
define main. This one is called simple parameter. Wait, let me. Yep. Simple parameter. Okay.
And then it's gonna have a parameter inside it too. So then we can just put like whatever.
So for in here,
Yeah. Like directly after then we can just like put, or we could put like test in quotation marks or something. Or just
or just call it parameter. No, simple parameter. Test. Yeah, that works fine. Test works. Define simple parat. Oh my god. Parat. Oh my god, I misspelled it. Wow. Parameter. Okay, simple parameter.
and then space and then like the name of the parameter.
Guess test. Why not? Keep it simple. Printf.
And then just like print test, yeah.
Wait, what do you mean? Princess
So- Or test.
Oh,
just
printf.
test.
No,
then-
but we need to get it first, right?
I was
So we
thinking
just do read?
in main.
Can we just read it?
Well,
Like print read?
we should read. If we were to read back up in main, we would replace test with read for simple, like after simple parameter in the main function.
Do it. Value plus in. You can use a main to start the overall scheme program. For the rest of the problems below. Oh, okay. Okay, so you want to do it like this. So we just printf, we do test, simple, and then
And then maybe we could also do printf and then like \n. Or wait, can you just type in new line? Wait, let me test that.
no, you can't. You have to do test. Oh, we can just do it like this.
Oh, you can just type in new line in parentheses, and it'll like do \n.
In here?
Or in the printf \n, you could replace that with just new line, or just new line without the printf.
And
Gotcha.
remove the other stuff. Yeah.
And then also for simple parameter in the main function, do you see where you call it?
Yep.
The main function. If you replace test with read, then it will like let us type it in.
Okay, but I guess
I'm not-
we also need to say like give parameter or something like that.
Did they clear?
I don't know if you like type in something with read. I don't know if it's two different values or not, or if you like type
well,
in two.
It should take up any value, right?
Yeah.
So we'll be
But
okay.
he says
User input.
Yeah.
Yeah.
also you misspelt display.
Oops.
Shouldn't we define read somewhere?
Define read.
Yeah. No need.
That was in the first one. Wait, let me check. Course content. Week 1.
If you know it's okay, then I'm fine. But I think I don't know.
Oops, that's wrong.
Is
Read
it code or the value?
it's a function that is like inbuilt into the language that when you call it, it like gets your input. So then whatever you type in and then press enter, then it uses that as the value.
Ah. Okay. Thank you.
Should be here, right? Yeah, you don't need to. You don't need to do it. You just read it. Yeah, don't worry about it. Do we use it correctly? Yeah. Oh, we need to put read in
Oh,
parentheses. Okay. Oops. What is going on? Jesus Christ.
It's really freezing.
It did nothing. Okay. That is an issue. Oh, because we didn't,
oh, you need to call main.
right. This is true.
Yeah.
Yep, there it is. 100. Nice. Expected string. Set.
Try doing display instead of printf. I don't know if that'll make any sort of difference.
No, the issue's not with this. The issue with right here. So with
I tried it out on my own where I didn't use read and I just passed in two parameters like through main, like just simple parameter and then pass a string literal and a simple parameter and then pass just like a integer, and it worked for that. So I'm not sure why it's
contract violation. Nothing works.
Wait. Let me try changing. Okay, I think printf it only works for strings. So when you pass in 100, printf like messes up. So maybe
it's because well, test isn't defined, bro. We didn't define test.
Or no, test is a parameter.
Right.
Then we have to.
But it's also a variable. So we need to define it. Remember, it's like the error that happened here. It's like the reason why
just try using display first instead of printf because
I did. Oh wait, but I did both already. Or are you talking about tests?
Or just for the second one, yeah, that one. Because I think that one only works for strings.
Bracket parameter 100. Gotcha. Interesting. Display. Ah, you can't printf. Gotcha. That makes sense. And then hello. Nice. Okay. So this is done. So I'm gonna move this file over. So we have scheme flip 2. Scheme flip 2. Okay, yeah, so they do want 2 examples, okay, in the test run. But there's no place to put the test run. That's very convenient. Okay, clear. Racket, so we give 100. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Okay, I am going to screenshot this. And I guess we just move on to the next one. Create a code, scheme flip 3. HTML manual to help the function.
HTML manual?
Yeah, so basically we need to use
Range.
these calls all need to happen and produce correct output to receive credit. Okay, I have no idea where this is, but I'm gonna assume that it's in week 2. Nope. Where's the manual? This one? Search manuals, we are looking for type, right? Type.
Yeah, I think this is the same as the other one. Okay, we use racket. Oh my god.
I don't know what this is. Why are there
Yeah, I don't really
1,000?
know. It's ask.
So basically, it gives us, well, the question is simple. I just don't know how to do it. So in this one, we're supposed to create a type ID, and we give it an integer, a boolean, and a float, and it returns what type it is. Kind of like how you can do it in C++. I believe all you need to do is like type, and then it prints
Oh,
out the
okay.
type of it. Um,
Like that.
so it needs to ID the basic type that's passed in. HTML manual for help. This is just searching for stuff in a dead language. It's so difficult. So we set. So that's typecasting.
Oh, could we do the like question mark string or whatever, or string question mark?
String question mark.
Yeah, and like an if statement.
Something like, yeah, throw out true or false. The function is something like condition using the if else.
Oh, okay.
Can we do?
Yeah, sure. Let's try. So I'm just gonna
Or no,
copy and paste this.
integer, not string.
So I am going to string flipped CSM. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is called type ID. So in type ID,
I
so
did.
you pass it a variable.
I'm trying to find where he used it because I know I've seen it before.
Find test.
Like
Type
this.
ID.
Like, do you see? I'll post it. Do you see here how he types like no question mark? And then that tells if it's a no or not. I think you can also do it for like integer
And
question mark, and then
string.
maybe we could
Gotcha.
use con.
Yep, sure.
Slide 14, I think, maybe. helpful.
Yep. Yeah, right here. So function returning a value with conditions. X is the input value. What do we do? Do we say whether it's true or false, or? Oh, wait, I need to look at the question again. So, okay. Create inside the file, create a type ID that accepts one value inside the function. It needs to ID basic type passed in. Use the HTML manual. Function should work with all basic types, but we want to see 3 quotes. A. It should work with all basic types. Well, I guess integer, boolean, string, and float. Maybe, well, I'm gonna try seeing these YouTube videos that he said.
Wait, I think I have. Wait, can I share my screen?
Yeah, of course.
Wait. Okay. Let me.
And we have 1 hour for rest of the question.
So I think something like this, where it's like, it asks if it's an integer here, if ID is an integer, and then it returns is an integer. And then I have it display it. So then that was for 5. And if I just change it to a string, then it doesn't do that anymore. But it gives like this instead. You see what I mean?
Yeah. The issue is that he said that it's for all basic stuff. So the thing is, like, we need to have something that like returns it, because we're not gonna be doing like is integer, is string, is float, is whatever. Somehow we need to, or maybe that's what we do. Training scheme, built-in data check. Oh, here we go. Built-in data type check function. So
Really?
wait, but that's. I think that's exactly what you did. The response will always be true or false.
Wait, can I see the question again? Oh, sorry, I like.
Yeah. Sorry, I forgot to share my screen. Search more value inside the function. To ID basic type passed in. To share and define all basic types. Oh, okay. So it's literally what you said. So it's literally this thing here. This is what we have to do.
All right. I'm not getting it working, or it doesn't. I don't know what it is for Boolean.
It should be Boolean.
Wait.
Boolean question mark.
Wait. I think I'm getting something.
So we just define x is equal to 10 if null. This is the if null. Okay, so it's just define test is define test 0, and then inside the main we want type ID test and test. He said integer boolean float.
For Boolean, can we mention something like EQV, question mark, true, false?
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. There's just a boolean. You can just do the boolean question mark. It should also work.
Okay. Sorry, I missed that.
That's fine. I guess these are all of the data types that we need to check. Oh, we just need to mimic this code right here. So test. So we do test equals 1, and then test is equal to boolean, so hashtag true. Type ID test.
Whenever I try it with float, it errors.
With float?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's because it's oh wait, it's not complex. Maybe real? I don't know if there's a float one. So there's the number. Maybe you just do... No, real numbers, that's not it. It should be float. It should be float. Is there a float question mark? Float question mark.
I don't know why mine's erroring for that.
Oh my, wait. So float question mark determine whether an argument is the instant class float. Yeah. It is just float, thing like that. Okay, so type ID test. Cond. Cond.
Oh. Okay, so I think I don't think you need to define test.
Oh, up here.
Yeah.
But I mean, it needs to be defined somewhere. Otherwise, this test one doesn't work. No.
Or you can just type in 1 instead of. I mean,
Oh,
it's
I see
kind of
what you mean.
confusing if you use the variable for the parameter also.
No, I see what you mean. Oops. Okay. So we just test one. Then we test. Wait. So what'd you do? Did you have like just a bunch of like true statements, or did you say like this is a? I mean, I'll just test it. So from here, then what? So if
So
int test.
if you're using I think you either. Okay, we're gonna either be using cond or if statement here, but I don't think we'll use both. Cond, if we
Gotcha.
did that. Okay, yeah.
So let's just have a bunch of. This can go without. No, it has to be like this. If test.
And then next you could like
Same thing. Just if a bool.
Not printing
Is it
something.
bool or is it boolean?
boolean.
If float.
So after the if statement too, I don't know actually. Maybe it'll return true or something.
I think we
Do it.
need. No, I think we do condition, right? We do condition, and then in the condition we have if statements. Because otherwise, it's just gonna check every single one. I mean, I guess I can just show you is a better way. Because it's just gonna be bracket. Oh, bad syntax. What happened? Lang
Maybe
racket main.
wait, we don't have like too much time, right?
Yeah, just check the slide 11.
Okay, yeah. Let's just move on to the next question.
Or no,
We still
no,
have
try
2
doing
minutes.
cond.
Oh, we still have 2 minutes for this question.
Quick.
Okay,
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll be fine.
I'll show what I have. So this, I'll just put a screenshot in the chat. I've commented out the float part because it errors when I have it there,
Okay.
but the rest of it seems to work.
Yeah, just if you just take a look at
Conditions
slide
better.
11 really quick. Exactly, I think the same we checked for the boolean.
Can you copy the code into the chat so that I can copy it, not retype it?
Oh yeah.
So that it's quicker.
Oh yeah.
Also, you have enter a value. He just wants like the test cases.
Yeah.
So. Okay. So that's the same thing. So easy.
Oh, you'll have to type out the function too.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Yeah, no worries. Type ID. ID. Okay. So type ID. That's the main. ID.
Condition.
Bad syntax again. Type ID.
Okay.
Oh, this one here. Dang. Alright.
So as just one parenthesis as well.
Missing thing. Something is missing. So 1, 2, 3.
Another parenthesis at the before main. This is for condition.
Okay.
I think you need one more parenthesis. Okay, you need to put parentheses before define for the type ID function,
Oh.
and then also
Yeah.
one at the end.
Before line 8. Line 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need one here. Where? So. Well, how about you guys take a look at the next question, and then I'll just
Okay, wait. Let me just copy and paste the whole thing.
yeah, maybe that would be better. Oh, it copied it, right? I hate Emacs. I don't understand why we can't use something else.
Quick question: do we need parentheses? For integer question mark ID.
I think I was just missing. I was just missing this one here.
Okay.
It was just for me. It was just stupid. All right, so that should work. Is a value? Is a boolean? Wait, why do you have this? Enter value.
Oh yeah, you can delete that. That was from the last one.
Yep. Okay. Display, and then we just do type ID. Type ID integer. So we need an integer. That would work. And then we just do like this. Display type ID 1.0. I have it commented out, and then this will just be commented out. But let me just try it. You said it didn't work though, right?
Yeah, it didn't work. Float.
Okay. Yep.
And then if you comment, yeah.
Why is that not working? Maybe we do real, not float. No, but then it's just different. It's just something different. Oh, where's the handbook? Float any. Float question mark bool. Whether it's class float. What is a float? Maybe we're just typing float incorrectly. .0. I'm gonna do one last test and then we can go on to the next question. Yep. Unknown. Well, okay. I will just comment out this part, and say work for us. Okay, and then I quit. I'm gonna give you guys the next question, and then I will just submit the one that we're working on right now. So here it is. So we're on question number 4.
Okay, I think I figured it out. I don't know
Okay.
why it's like this. It's called flow num. So it's like flow num question mark instead of float question mark.
So now,
I don't know.
okay. Nope, did not work. It says add cont integer. Let me just show you again. So we will. So this is what I have. Flow num, right?
Oh, does not work for us.
Oh, okay. That's beyond them. My bad.
Oh, also it's not flow anum.
Gotcha. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I hate it when that happens. Just press like Y, I think. Ah, okay.
Is an integer. It says
Try doing like 0.15 or something.
1.00, yeah. This float integer.
point
Is that the-
0. Let's just do it like this. It's a float. There it is.
Okay,
Beautiful.
good enough.
Okay, now Emacs.
I don't even know what a flow num is. I'm not sure if that's right or not, but
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna deal with submitting this. I'm also gonna change it to say like what's it called? 1 is an integer. Hashtag true is a boolean. That kind of thing.
okay.
Actually, I'm not able to see your screen.
Okay. Yeah. Give me a second.
I don't know. Maybe it's
Is that
missing. Not yet.
or I'll just do it like this. So
I think you shared at the same time. I don't know.
well, I'll just take a screenshot of the last
Okay.
problem so
Just
that
re-recording it.
yeah.
And everything's really fine.
So there's the question. I guess all I'll do is just share my screen. Okay.
Okay. So input 15%.
Maybe 6 minutes.
Okay, I don't think this one's that bad.
Okay. Bit of hard coding.
And it's not asking for type checking or anything either.
Nice. Okay. So Lovely.
Brian, can you see the Victor's screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Can I log out and log in again?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to like get this done pretty fast.
Yep.
So pretty much just like
I'll just copy if you have something,
okay.
and then you can explain it.
So pretty much it just returns the number times 0.15, get 15% of it.
New line, display 15%. 15%. Okay, and we were supposed to do what? We want 2 separate calls to make sure it works. Okay, you already tested this?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will just take a picture, brackets, scheme. Nice. Okay, put in the screen. Then we refresh. Okay. Good. Okay.
Okay.
4 done. Okay. Nice. Scheme flip 5 CSM. Does it want? So it wants create a file scheme flip 5. Define main. Positive number. Two separate calls.
X.
Is positive, we give it 5. -5. Okay.
Shouldn't we need the define before the is positive?
Well, I'm gonna define it down here. So, is positive. We can run. I guess just number, and then this one needs if greater than num -1. Is it equal greater or greater equal? What?
I was thinking you could do less than and then do negative and then you could do else positive.
So less
Less
than
than 0.
0.
And then just do
Oh wait,
positive or whatever.
negative, right? Negative.
Or negative, yeah.
Negative. And then else positive, like that. This works. So then whoa, a bunch of blanks.
Yeah, I think why you didn't put parentheses after negative? You put if and someone else in the same parentheses.
Like this.
Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, and then in the next line, maybe.
Oh, I was wondering why my thing wasn't working, but it was like I switched around the less than stuff. Never mind. Okay.
Why we didn't use else for positive?
Well, you know, I thought in an if statement it already is if else. So the first, so if this is true, do this thing. Otherwise, do this thing. I'm not sure why it's not working. It's
You
positive.
could try this. Wait, does it not say anything?
Yeah. So when it said nothing.
You need to display it.
Gotcha. So
you could do that in main.
So display is positive like this?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Dub. Alright. There's just one too many new lines. Cool. Okay, so that one's that out of the way. Okay, right, so clear.
Okay, just one more.
Yep.
Oh wait, it should return true if it's positive.
Oh, okay, so that's pretty easy. So I think we have to put them in brackets. Damn. Guess it's wrong. Oh, because it's not a function. I'm so stupid. Yep. There it is.
Oh.
Except it's reversed. I did it reversed, right? Because negative is supposed to be first. So if negative, right? So it is positive. So let's just test for positive. So is it greater than or equal? Well, we'll figure it out quickly. Yep, there it is. So is positive, 5 is true. Make sure what?
Make sure 0 is considered as a positive. Is that right?
Yep, it's greater than equal to. So if it's equal to 0, so say we
Oh,
change this to 0,
yeah, that's
should give us the same. Yep, it does.
Nice.
Okay, cool. So, and then, you're on the last one, Brandon?
No, I was just watching you.
Gotcha.
Um,
Alright, so that's the screenshot done. And then we move 5 over.
I'm trying to make sure we do it like one at a time or whatever, so it doesn't.
Makes sense. Just gonna double check. I'm gonna open up all of the files just to make sure that they actually are what we wanted them to be. This was for the 15. This is correct. This is for the type. Yep, correct. Here we go. Define. Yep, that one's easy. Okay, simple parameters. Last one. And this is fine. Yep, perfect. Perfect. Alright, now 6th. Okay. Find main.
that look like the example we solved at the class.
Yeah. That's exactly it.
I do the same one, yeah.
Yep, this one right here.
Yeah.
Wait,
How do
it's
you do
similar,
if-
but that's not it. How do you do it?
How do you do like if else again?
You just do if. It else is embedded into the if.
Okay.
So it just you need a space in between, right? So you just have if or if and then condition and then the first statement, the second statement. So this one right here, this is going to be your else.
So do you have to put another if in there, or is it just another condition?
No. It's literally just if condition 1 is met, do this thing. So
Yeah.
this thing. And then if it's not met, remember to do a single space, and then your else statement. And remember to make sure your else statement is not in brackets, because the bracket, it thinks that it's going to be a function, but it's not a function. So that's how come you would have like if do this true, else false, right?
Okay.
Find main. We want to give it. What do we want to give it? What do you want to give it? 2 separate calls. So let's give it the score of 90 and 100. So grade 90. 90 and 59. Yes. and letter score. So if greater score greater than 90.
What?
Oh, I'm just talking to myself, sorry.
No, I was talking about to my sister.
Oh, right.
This is the part that I think I'm messing up on.
Which part?
Oh, so you just do another if?
You don't close it. Yeah, you don't close this one because remember, you only need a space to separate it. But you can indent it. Indentation is fine, so you just keep on going. Score 80 B, right? You have a B, and then $70. Have C. Return a letter value. Oh, okay, easy. You don't even have to say you have a. You just need to return a letter value. Yeah, A, B, C, D. Nice. Okay, A, B, C. Then greater score 60 D. And then we can just say you have failed the class. Okay, now we close this one. This one. This one. This one. Main. Oh, right. Racket flipped 6. Nice, because we're supposed to display this one. Display. Bang.
Shouldn't need another display for the last line? You have failed
Nope.
the class.
Because
No.
it's just the the thing. So this is the if this condition is true, do this, and the way you separate the two
Yeah.
is just
Sorry,
a space. You just need a space. Yeah. If you put, yeah, you'll just create a new function, which is not what we want. Display. Like that. Nice. Max. Oh, if we just do a new line, I don't need these. Okay, nice. Brandon, did you get something similar?
Yeah, I just did it with like less than instead of greater than or equal to.
Fair enough. That works as well.
Oh, it says you failed the class. Still.
Yeah,
never mind.
never mind.
Sorry, I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
Yeah, it's 59. Okay, so.
Wait, what?
Oof. Oh, he's talking
okay.
to his sister. Alright, so. Get a nice little. Bang. We want 2 separate calls to make sure it works. Print screen.
Oh, actually it said A and you failed this class.
Yep, because it's E, but E doesn't exist, I believe, in the grading setup. So it's just an F. But I don't know. I guess, yeah, fair enough. Let's not be cute. Let's not do anything weird. Let's just keep on going with the flow. So else we just do, what are we thinking? We put F, E,
F.
F,
Or yeah, I don't know.
F. I guess E doesn't really exist.
Let's be constant with the alphabetical order.
Yep, there we go. A, B, C, D, E. No, it's just E in, no, what's called, in UMBC doesn't exist because it's just an F for failure. So. It's so weird. Why not just keep E? Doesn't make sense. Then again, I don't make this, so I don't care. Clear. Bang. Bang. And then, so I have all the screenshots now. And now I have all of the files. Okay. Browse local 6. Bang. So all the files. Then. So we
How do you
checked
do
out
the
everything.
SFPT stuff or whatever?
SFPT? What do you mean?
Or the thing where you like downloaded the files. How do you do that?
This one? It's from so it's from this thing here. So it's the Bitwise. I got it from 202. My brother told me to get this. It's like a better version of what you guys have. I think you guys have Putty or something similar.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. So this is like a better version. It's a little bit more complicated. So you type in your server host over here, and then your user, like the authentication to log into this server host, and then you have this SFPT or SFTP, and it has your local files and then the remote files, and then you can switch between the two. So I just like, it's just one movement, and then I can download the stuff, and then same thing back. Say I edit it, you can upload it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
There's relatively no downside besides like difficulty, but I just ignore like 99.9% of everything here. I don't know what most of this does. All I know is put server host, my name, log in, log out, and then terminal if you want to code, and then the window for opening up files. That's it.
Okay.
But okay. Nice. We have 10 minutes to spare. So if we're happy with this, I'm going to check, or I guess we all are going to check the, making sure all the screenshots are here. How do I do this again? Right. So date. Yep.
And by the way, did you get any the grade for the last one? Or last one?
Let me check my grades. Nope, pending.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
That's kind of sad. Unlucky. I guess there's like way too many stuff. Some people sent it via email, some people did this, some people did that. Okay.